Keto chia seed pudding is absolutely delicious, whether it's for breakfast, for lunch, or just a snack. And the great thing is you can make it dairy-free or almond-free or coconut-free just by mixing up the liquids that you use. So go ahead and screenshot the recipe. We love lots of cinnamon and vanilla in here, but you can cut back on the vanilla if you'd like. And check out our blog for some tips on the sweeteners. We love to meal prep this one. You can make it in advance and put it in mason jars. And this is a recipe that's great anytime.
Cut the carbs, but never cut the flavor. Tap in. Let's make some easy keto chia pudding. Now this pudding was so good. I got like a little mason jar. I added some almond milk in there, some chia seeds, some sweeteners. I added some vanilla extract. Then I put that in the refrigerator for like 20 minutes, and it got really thick, like this, like pudding. Then I just added some toppings. I actually let it sit overnight, and then I added my toppings like strawberries, blueberries, and nuts, and some coconut shavings. And this was really, really good. And hey, healthy. Cut the carbs, but never cut the flavor.
Hundreds of recipes like this, even better, are in this free keto cookbook. Link in